Hi, in this session we will solve some of the problems on energy and power signals. So let us see this question. Determine the power and RMS value of the signal x of t is equal to a cos omega 0 t plus theta. We have to find out what is the power of this signal and RMS. As you know that RMS means root mean square value of this signal. So first let us see how to solve this question. So what is given? So given x of t is equal to a cos omega 0 t plus theta. So by observing the signal itself, what you can conclude? You can conclude that it is periodic signal. You can conclude that it is periodic signal. As I explained in the previous class, so all periodic signals are power signals. All periodic signals are power signals. So, as explained in the previous class, the definition of energy and power signals, how to calculate the power of the given signal? The power of the given signal can be calculated by first square the given signal, and divide, because we will get energy. Power is nothing but energy by time, because the duration is 2t and the limit t tends to infinity. So, we have to extend t from minus infinity to plus infinity. So this is the power formula which I have mentioned in the definition. Now you can see that there is another name power. You can see that in mathematics. Okay, so this is called as mean. By taking this is called as mean. This is the square of the signal. So therefore the power is also called as mean square value of a signal. Another very important definition of power is also called mean square value of a signal. Mean square value of a signal. You can clearly see that this term is called as, by dividing this by 2t, is called as mean, as you know from mathematics. So this is called as square. So therefore what is power is called as mean square value of a signal. So if you take square root of power, root of power, then it is called as root mean square. So root of what is power? Power is nothing but a mean square value of a signal. If you taking root of power is nothing but as, which is called as root mean square value of a signal. So in short it is called as RMS value. So which is nothing but as root mean square value. So what is the formula? Just take the square root of power, because the power is mean square value of a signal as explained. If you take the root of this power, it is get RMS value of the signal. So now based on this formula, simple mathematics, substitute x of t in this equation and let us find out what is the power and RMS value of this signal. Now, so first substitute the given signal. So that means limit t tends to infinity. So 1 by 2t integral minus t to t, integral square the given signal. So it will come out as a square, a take it outside, cos square omega 0 t plus theta into dt. So change this cos square theta. So I am writing it as a square by 4t integral minus t to t. I am writing it as 1 plus cos 2 omega 0 t plus 2 theta into dt divided by 2. I am taking outside, because cos square theta is written as 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So I have taken 2 outside from trigonometric identities. So let us separate these integrals. So therefore limit t tends to infinity, a square by 4t, keep it. So what is the first integration minus t to t dt. The first integration is, the second integration is minus t to t. So cos of 2 omega 0 t plus 2 theta into dt. So the first answer is straightforward. The first integration answer is straightforward. Limit t tends to infinity, a square by 4t into, what is the answer of first integral? 2t, 2 into capital T, plus what is the answer of this integral? 1 by 2 omega 0 sine 2 omega 0 t plus 2 theta, and the limits are for this minus t to t. Let us close this. So here, what is omega 0? Because it is periodic signal, as you know that omega 0 is equal to 2 pi f, 2 pi by capital T. Substitute in place of omega 0 2 pi by capital T. So let us write this integral again. So therefore the power is equal to limit t tends to infinity a square by 4t. The first integral answer we have got is 2t plus 1 by 2 omega 0, keep it as it is, 1 by 2 omega 0. Substitute, what is this sine? So substitute omega 0 value, it will come out as 4 pi t by capital T plus 2 theta. The limits are minus t to t. So let us simplify this, the answer will come. So a square by 4t, keep it. The first term is 2t, the first integration is answer is 2t, 1 by 2 omega 0. If you substitute t here in place of capital small t, tt gets cancelled. So the first integral is sine 4 pi plus 2 theta minus lower limit. If you substitute in place of t minus t, you will get of sine of minus 4 pi plus 2 theta. So you can see that limit t tends to infinity a square by 4t 2t plus 1 by 2 omega 0 into, from trigonometry sin 4 pi plus 2 theta is sin 2 theta. So if you take minus common, minus into minus will become plus, sin of it will become 4 pi minus 2 theta. So which is written as, so as you know that sin of 4 pi minus 2 theta is minus sin 2 theta. You can clearly see that sin 2 theta minus sin 2 theta gets cancelled. So that means this entire term will come out 0. So therefore what is the integration limit? T tends to infinity a square by 4t into 2t. So cancel out 2t by 4t, it will come out 2. So therefore the answer is a square by 2. So this is the power or mean square value of the signal. So what is RMS value? As explained, RMS value. So we have to take the root of power. So what is power? A square by 2. If you substitute, it will come out as a by root 2. So therefore this is the very, very important formula. For example, remember this hint. The power and RMS, as you know that root mean square. First we have to take mean and square and take the root. So this is called as RMS value. The power and RMS value of a cos omega 0 t plus theta, or if you take a sin omega 0 t plus theta, you will get the same answer. So in many examples you will find this kind of equations. What is the power formula? The power formula is straightforward. Simply square the amplitude and divide it by 2. So the RMS value is square root of power, that is a by root. So these are very, very important formulas. I use these formulas when I solve problems. Thank you.